Hey there! Are you experiencing frustrating audio lag while watching your favorite shows? This week, I've got the perfect solution to help you learn how to fix audio delay on Google TV. Audio issues can be a real drag on your viewing experience, but don't worry. In this guide, we'll dive into practical steps to sync your sound perfectly with the visuals so you can enjoy your shows uninterrupted. Steps to fix Step 1. Check your TV's firmware. First things first, let's ensure your Google TV is running on the latest firmware. Manufacturers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Navigate to the settings on your Google TV, go to System and select About. Then choose System Update to check for any available updates. Installing the latest update might just be the quick fix you need for your audio issues. Step 2. Adjust audio delay settings. Many TV models offer built-in settings to adjust audio delay. Head over to Settings, select Sound, and look for an option like Audio Delay or Lip Sync. Use the adjustment slider to synchronize the sound with the video. Play around with it until you find the ideal setting that eliminates the delay. Keep an episode or movie handy so you can test the results in real time. Step 3. Configure external devices. If your audio delay persists, it might be due to external devices like soundbars or receivers. Ensure all cables are connected properly and securely. If you're using HDMI ARC or an optical cable, double-check the connections. Additionally, make sure these devices' firmware is up to date and explore their audio settings for any variable audio delay options. Step 4. Optimize network settings. A slow or unstable internet connection can contribute to audio delay, especially when streaming content. Check your network speed with an online speed test. You'll want a minimum of 15 megabytes per second for HD streaming. Consider connecting your Google TV directly to the router using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. This can often resolve lag and buffering issues that impact audio sync. Step 5. Restart and reset. If the problem persists, try a good old-fashioned restart. Unplug your Google TV for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This can refresh the system and resolve minor issues. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset, but keep in mind, this will erase all your settings and preferences, so use this option if all else fails. With these straightforward steps, you should now know how to fix audio delay on Google TV and ensure a smooth, enjoyable viewing experience. Whether you're tweaking settings or streaming through a more robust network, solving audio sync issues doesn't have to be daunting. Remember to regularly check for firmware updates and keep your device connection secure to prevent future audio hiccups. Enjoy your shows, and may your audio be ever in sync.